Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add simple animations to your Shopify store. First, go to your Shopify dashboard and open Online Store. Then click on Themes. Find your active theme, for example the Dawn theme, and click on Customize. Once the theme editor opens, look at the left sidebar and click on the gear icon to open theme settings. From there, select Animations. Now, enable the page transition option. This will add a smooth fade effect when users move between pages like your homepage and product pages. You can also turn on the other animation options here if you want more movement across your store. Next, find the card hover effect setting. Change it from none to lift. This will make your product images slightly rise when someone hovers over them. It gives your store a more premium and interactive feel. Now for a quick bonus tip. Inside the theme editor, click on any button or section. On the right side, scroll down to the bottom and open Custom CSS. Paste this code. This will make your buttons grow slightly when someone hovers over them. It feels smooth and makes your store more engaging. After that, click Save. Your animations are now live and your store will feel more dynamic to visitors. Thanks for watching.